In this video, you will understand exactly what is copy trading in pocket option. It is basically very simple. A pocket option has a feature that is called social trading, by using which you can copy various traders. Also, you can copy a specific trader that you want to copy. For example, you can copy me. If you really want to copy my trades automatically into your pocket option account, then you can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can start to copy my trades. Basically, every user have a thing that is called UID. This is the thing that you need to have in order to copy trades. So for example, if you just randomly want to copy these people, which I don't recommend you to do, but if you still want to copy them, you can simply click on copy and do the setup, and you can copy them automatically into your account. But the reason that I don't want you to copy these traders is because, as you can see here, their maximum trade is like this amount and their minimum trade is of this amount. Okay, so let's say if they make 10 or even uh, 20-50 wins of $10 trade and make loss of one trade of this much amount, then you will still be in loss, but his profitable trades percentage will keep on increasing because he have 10 win trades of this $10 and one lose trade of this. Okay, so that's why don't get confused by these kind of percentage of these random traders. So find a trader whom you can trust and copy. I would definitely recommend you to copy my trades. As you can see, if you have joined my Telegram channel from the link in the description of this YouTube video, then you can see the results that I have been posting in my Telegram channel. So now I'll basically tell you exactly how to do this kind of setup. Okay, so for example, if you have joined my free Telegram channel, then you will get my UID. Okay, then you just need to log into your pocket option account and just click on this social trading and click on here and click on search. Now here it says enter user ID. User ID means UID. Okay, just paste the UID that you have got. Now this is not my UID, I am just showing you it as an example. Then a name appears and just click on that name. Okay, and you can simply click on copy. Now ignore these three boxes, only do opt down of this box. Okay, so I only make trade of $200 each time. So that means if you copy 100% of my trade, then you will be copying $200 per trade. If you want to copy $100 per trade, then you can reduce this percent to 50%. If you want to copy just $2 per trade, then you can set this to 1. So 1% is equals to $2 because my all of the trades are only of $200 each and every time. Okay, so once you do this much, then it is stop balance. Okay, so for example, you have $1,000 in your account and you just only want to risk like $500 in copy trading, then what you can do is you can put 500 at here. But what I have noticed is those who use this kind of stop balance are usually not able to copy all of my trades. So that's why what would I recommend to you is just make it 1. Okay, and let's say you have $1,000 in your hand and you just want to risk $500 in the copy trading, then just put the balance of $500 and don't use any stop balance at here. That would work fine. Now minimum copy trade amount is 1. That's fine, you don't need to put anything. And in maximum copy trade amount, now if you are copying my trades, then I have already told you that I will only make $200 per trade each time, so you don't need to make any changes at here. If you try to make any change at here, then sometimes my trades won't be copied to your pocket option account automatically. That's why I don't recommend it to use any numbers at here. Once you do this much, then just click on confirm and you will start to copy $2 trade. Whenever I make $200 per trade, you will copy $2 per trade. Now one important thing that you need to know, you need to keep on copying me 24%, so 24 hours. Okay, because I only trade whenever the market is in absolutely best condition. So I don't have a fixed time when I will trade. Okay, that's why you need to keep on copying 24 hours for my trade. And I usually trade on Monday to Friday only in non OTC pair. I don't trade an OTC pair. There are a few reasons that because I've used it in past, okay, but lots of people were copying me, and I think that market was not very good in OTC to trade, especially while providing this copy trading service. So I only trade on non OTC pair, okay. Now if you are really new to trading binary options, and if you want to see some good results, then I would definitely recommend you to join my free Telegram channel. But if you want to test out some copy trading instantly, then you can just go to top ranked traders of 24 hours, top ranked trades, top 100 traders, okay. You can try these people, and whatever I have told you previously, the same thing will happen, okay. But don't worry, I am here for you, because as you can see, I'll show you another person trade account also. So here you can see his minimum trade and maximum trade is $1, but if you see yesterday, his maximum trade was $100 and minimum trade was $1. Now if he makes 50 trades right of this $1 and one trade wrong of this max trade, okay, $100, then you are still in loss of $50, okay. That thing you need to keep on mind always. So guys, in this video I wanted to show you this much only. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye bye.